thing that is so different about this program is it confronts you. 75,000 acres in the middle of Wyoming. There's not even cell coverage here, so it really focuses on the you, and the program is all about being the best attorney you can be, not the best attorney you can copy. We put things in action. We're getting critique from our peers. We're getting critique from the instructors. It's very, very hands-on, and everybody's supporting everybody else. Joey and Jay-Z are absolutely amazing individuals. What makes them special is their commitment to handing off the gift. And the gift is to be the best person that you can be, and in turn be the best advocate you can be for your client. I've seen tremendous growth in myself as well as my peers. One of the key moments for me was during psychodrama, when I had to confront a very personal thing that I think was holding me up. I have been forced to confront my deepest fears, and by doing that, it allowed me to break free. I've learned that it's okay to embody the truth, and there are no tricks, and that's really what's going to push your case forward. Gerry Spence has always been an advocate for the underdog. Oftentimes you're up against large corporations, government entities, and they have huge resources. All I have is really the truth. It's not only life-changing as an attorney, but it's life-changing as a human being. And it's almost like destiny coming here. So I think this program has a tremendous benefit to me and also for my clients.